Ayan guys, good morning. And magluluto ako ngayon ng biryani. And ayan, galing pa ito sa India siya guys. Ayan. Veg and non-veg yung nakalagay dito. Let's start it. Actually guys, request ito ni Mark. Na-miss na daw niya ang biryani. Sabi niya sa akin yesterday, Mommy, can you please cook biryani? I wanna eat it again. So, ayan. His wish is my command. Lagyan ko siya ng olive oil. Pangsulay ko lang sa chicken and other ingredients. Coffee muna tayo habang nagluluto. Lagyan ko lang siya guys ng salt and pepper. Medyo kumulo na siya guys, and ilalagay ko na din ito biryani mix. So ayan yung itsura ng rice niya guys. Nandiyan na lahat yung mga seasonings, spices na nilalagay nila. Ito kasing pinapadala ng Indiana kong biyanan is ready to cook na. So chicken na lang ang ilalagay, gisa-gisa ganun. Not unlike pag nasa India ako guys, is talagang natural yung mga ginagamit nila. Sila pa yung nagle-blend ganun. Pero ito guys, ready na siyang lutuin. So ayan, takpan ko lang siya. Ito na guys yung aking biryani. Yummers! Kain po tayo! Baliktad. Baliktad, okay.
Oh wait, no, I wait, go with that. Okay, I hate this. I got some over here, but I don't know where it is.
Get down.
Say go. Say go.
OOTD for today. So. I'm feeling naughty.
Oh my gosh, yo! Dude, oh my goodness, no!
Open the door now.
Did you open the gate na?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Okay.